side and use another leg. Together. Hop. 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 Okay, change side and use another leg. Go together. Cooperate together. Look, right, like this. Come on guys, come on, very good, super. Yalla, sorry. Come, hop. Side. Very good. Side. Now, side, yes. Again, jump. Yes. And change side and change leg. And here also change movement. Go to the side. Yes. Hop. 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 Come on. The sticker side. Yes. Side movement. Side. Exercise, arm up, stability, dynamic stretching, everything together. Change, come on guys, come on, very good. Go. You can go first, yes? Go on the side. Zigzag, yes. Hop. Left, right. Very good. Very good guys, very good. Okay, look, you go behind. And here you use the stick for dynamic stretch, yes? Hop. Hop. Right leg. Hop. 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 Change side and make the same exercise but only change leg. Super. Go, come on. Yes, next. Come. Quickly. Look, here we can change. Hop. Guys, make time for peace, take a plan. Everybody like that. Yes. Give ball. Yes, very good. Come on. Perfect. Hop. Next. Yalla. Boom. Perfect. Hop. Go. Next. Go. Bravo. Hop. Very good. Yes. Inside. Hop. Duel. Wait me. Hop. Yes. Come on. Very good. Okay, guys. Take control. Very good. Yes. Hop. Yes. Be ready. Hop. Yes. Perfect. Very good, guys. Very good. Hop. Exactly. Come on. Yes. Super. Yes. Okay, now change side because here is plus right, here is plus left. Okay. And guys, if you done this, if you go from the ball. Don't start from here, but start like this. Maybe you come here later together. Okay? Yes, hop, hop, pass. Yes, come on, quickly. Go, Ali. Hop, no. Only one. Sorry. Come on, next. Stop. Hop, come on. Go. Hop. Yes, exactly. Come on. Go. Hop. No problem. Go. Come. Back. Yes. Come on. Hop. Yes. Up, down, very good. Yes. Use your body, yes? Up, down, perfect. Very good, gentlemen, very good. Come on, yes. Hop. Bravo. Come on. Yes. Hop. Perfect. Come. Very good, very nice. Hop. Exactly. Go. Bravo. Very good. Super. Go. Yes, exactly. Next station. Again six. Hop. Hey, come on, don't sink. Hop. Now take time. Go. Hop. Touch about you. Okay, let the ball in the middle. Take correct position. Touch the side, okay? Hop. Good. Now. Take like this, okay? Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, behind you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last, stability behind. 1, 3, enough, change. 1, 3. Super, 2 minutes for water and come back. Take water. Come on, gentlemen. We need take water. Okay, Red, come on. Red, come on. Together. Continue, follow. Quickly, open position, looking for the ball. Spaces. Very good, Jorge. Orange defense. Come on, transition. Two in the middle, two defense. Play. One. Yes, very good, quickly. Very nice, gentlemen. Take
اثنين بس علي اثنين علي
Play, come on. 1, 2, 3, go. Continue. Yes, okay. Pass other side. Let's go defend. Go inside. You open. Very good. Come on, quickly. Oh, quickly. Okay, change again. Orange. Come on. You make mistake. Yalla. Oh, make passes quickly. Yes. Open spaces. Very good. Okay, pass other side. Green defend. First speed. Okay, fine.
What passes?
Okay. This is little the same, but another rules. Okay, you have two defender in the middle. This is work for midfielder. Yes. Whew. Come on, guys. You make mistake. You defend to inside. Green. Come on, gentlemen. Come on. Hey, take position. Stop, guys. But this is green. You need.
Okay.
Three passes, you need to make three passes. 1, 2, 3. Yes, change square. Come on. Quickly. Move the ball.
Okay. After.
Hey, support. 3 players together. Come on, guys. Go, green. Come here. Support. Come everybody. Down here. No boys in. Come here. Yes. Perfect. Good. Let's support. Very nice. Very good. Yes. Okay. Stay. Let's defend. Orange. Come here. Let's defend. Come on, play. One. Yes. Perfect. Change, very good. Perfect. Quickly. Support. Very good. Oh. Perfect. Orange. Bravo. Control. Quickly. Yes. Very good.
حلوة.
Prevention, okay? If you take Sportester or I don't know, some vest with chips and you control after the training number of meter, number of sprints, number of kilometers. Yes, this is about professional football, but I think it's important to tell you, you have 5 zones. First is walking, nothing for football players. Fourth zone is for training, endurance, speed, agility, and 5th zone is game zone, exactly. So you need to touch 5 zone in the training, because as you train, then you play, okay? If you are weak and lazy in the training, never as coach you can account that your players will be good inside the game. It's true, okay? And you need to work with the details, okay? Small details. Yes, today I make a lot of exercise because I want for you can to bring at home a lot of exercise after you can use in your training, yes? But if you make your training here, especially the players like the ball, you need to close the task inside the game, because after the players thinking about the task, about the rules, and forgot the movement. But if you make only run without the ball 50, 50, 50, for the young players it's not good, it's very difficult. Okay, one time in the month you can make, because you need to be strong physically and psychologically. Yes, it's like this. Maybe professional player can make like this, sometimes recovery training is without the ball, yes, it's like this. Also in precision they can make, but here, please, thinking about detail about each game, and if you put very seriously and interesting rules for the players, sure they forgot about running. And after you win, because they want to play, they want to fight, and how many kilometers they make inside the game. You are tired today? No, you are very good physically. Yes? You are tired. Perfect. I win, because if you are tired, good season. Okay, understand? Because if you don't make recovery, if you don't make only activation or maybe stretching with physio, with the doctor, after each training, if your players are not tired, your mistake, because you lose one training. Yes? And how many times come all team here? Sometimes they are in the school, sometimes have something with the parents. So you need to use each 1 second in your training. And after you will be successful. Sure. Okay, gentlemen? So thank you very much. Last game, okay, if you don't understand, the rules was start inside the field, 5 against 3. 5 against 3 plus 2 players from these 3 they was inside was right left, and these 3 players inside need to exactly win the ball for this 1 or 2nd player outside, and this player outside decide if he go shoot right or left. After everybody go shoot and another color go make defend, and if they shoot left, after the color they was starting before 5, take the ball and go make finish another goal post, and this player they was 3 plus 2 go to defend, and this for transition. Okay? Yes. Okay, gentlemen, have you some question? Yes. Okay, guys. So I start exactly from first exercise. Today we have the field up for 3 spaces. Okay, left space was for generally warm up. First exercise was warm up circle, warm up run, and it was inside. Dynamic stretch, stability, coordination, and complex warm up for your body. Okay. After this, we make activation for hamstring and gluteus with the bands, also for your middle part, and with to the ankle and knee, because it's important for the shoot. And if you have healthy players, you can follow and you can make everything. Yes. So especially now in this time, if come the player back after the corona, you need to make more for activation and prevention. Okay, because you need to ready player for make training. Maybe better shorter training with good things for the healthy, and after you can go step by step up. Okay. After this second exercise, we make feeling for the ball, very easy passes, and inside was duels, because football is about duel. If you take the ball or don't take the ball, and the main task, this work that you fight about the ball was for core, for the middle part. Okay. But yes, but was close again with the ball, because they thinking I want to win ball and forgot I feel here. Okay.
and after was speed and agility and coordination in action. Okay, it don't was exactly really only speed training, yes, because if you want to make especially speed training, you need to make little faster warm up, maybe 20-25 minutes, because in the speed you need to work 100% everything. Okay, very short distance, high intensity after longer rest. Okay, but I want to see the exercise. This can use before the match. For the activation, 5, 6, 7 time agility and speed enough. 5-6 meter, 3-4 seconds, no more. Okay. After we go make this, I think was rondo, 3 against 1 plus 1 space, was about players thinking. Okay, because you need to support and looking for the free space and support the color they have the ball. Okay. This game was for central midfielder and central defender, these two in the middle. They need to make this movement side and control which side and where is the ball. And also exactly, basically this was for control the ball. Because you can make 5-10 passes in one side, and after you make through in, the same as in the game, if you want to go from your side to another side, you can use this space, okay? Because big football is only about, you are in one space, I don't know, 5 against 3, and you need to go quickly for free side and direct to goal post, okay? So it was small preparation for this. And last game, I speak before. Okay, gentlemen?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, very good job. I hope everything will be better and we can meet again in the game, in the match season. And I wish for your player, for everybody. Good luck.
بكره كابتن احمد اوكي يلا